Here we go.
Ready?
Here we go.
Are you ready?
Here we go.
Brothers Bistro. Recipe so simple, even a dude can make it.
I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Ken.
And we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Well, tonight we have got something special in store. It's Valentine's here, right?
So we got our sweet aprons on because we're gonna make a sweet dessert. We don't have very many desserts.
I got
right?
some steaks. I got some steaks on the Barbie.
So we got to move things along here. This is a super simple recipe. We're going to show you how to make a low-cal chocolate peanut butter mousse, or peanut butter chocolate mousse. I'm not sure how you do that.
Low-cal. It's gonna have an avocado in it.
Yeah, so we're going to see how that's good. You know, avocados don't have much taste, right? It's a little bit like rice cauliflower. Doesn't have much taste.
Okay, well we'll see.
Yeah,
we'll
we're going to find out
suppose.
here. So we're going to be right back with the
ingredients. Those ingredients. Those are the things that go in it.
If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you're watching us right now. So don't be a lazy butt. Go over there, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and
Give us a big thumbs up. That's right. With that, we're going to be right back with the ingredients. So hang tight.
Look, not much ingredients, right? We doubled the recipe, so we got 2 avocados.
Okay, so this is the sweetener.
That's the agave.
Okay, agave. What's this?
That's the almond milk.
Almond milk. This is the cocoa. This is the peanut butter.
Peanut butter, and the peanut butter is natural, so you want to be a little careful about peanut butter because they do tend to add sugar and stuff if you just pick the Skippy.
So did you have to mix it up? Was it all? Did it separate out with the oil and all that? Because sometimes.
Well, it has a little oil on it, but we're just gonna blend it all up, and it doesn't take a lot. It's only 1 tablespoon, you know, compared to all this stuff.
Okay,
and the vanilla extract.
Vanilla, and I hear rumor says that the imitation vanilla is better than the real vanilla.
Well,
I don't
think
know.
that's
Maybe
a
we're
personal
used to
taste
it.
thing. Yeah, I think that's
Okay,
a personal
well we're gonna try it for today, and we're gonna put all the stuff together.
Well, basically, we start with the avocado.
Hey, wait a second.
We got a brand new star of the show here.
Woo! Wow, Matt.
Yes, brand new star of the show. This is a food processor. So, you know, one of the neat things about being a Brothers Bistro chef is you get to try some of these gadgets out.
They probably sent that to us, huh? They're our endorsements?
I wish they had. And Ninja, if you're listening, we are looking for actively looking for an endorsement deal.
Right.
And hey, we just got some new uniform pants, Lululemon. If you, I mean, I'm telling you, we are ready to be your endorsees.
I cut it off, and then I do the old whoosha.
Whoosha?
Yeah.
Is that a technical term?
That gets the seed out. That gets the seed out. Oop, there goes the seed. And then we do the other one.
All the way around. You gotta be careful.
Try to line up the stuff.
Yeah, be careful you're lined up, otherwise you end up making a spiral cut.
There's the seed.
Basically what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take all of the other ingredients, once the avocado gets put in there, Dirty Kev at it again, we're gonna put everything in here at the same time, we're gonna blend it up, and that is it. And once it gets blended, hello? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Once we get it all blended up, we're gonna put it in some serving cups, and voila. We're gonna
put it in the freezer or something.
Fridge, voila, fridge. For 30 minutes, and it's done.
Can you hear me now?
Jeez. Just shaking the bushes, boss. We're gonna put the avocado in first, so we want them kind of low on the blades, and then we're gonna put the other ingredients all in there, and there's lots of liquid, so no harm, no foul. I don't think there's any wrong way to do it here.
I think this will work better than the blender did in the past, because the blender definitely needed, it was a little taller and narrower.
Okay, so he got all the avocado. I'm gonna put the cocoa powder in there.
How about this one?
This is the vanilla.
How about this one?
I might need a spoon for this.
Okay.
That's the peanut butter. It doesn't take a lot of peanut butter because peanut butter is pretty strong taste.
Use that one.
This is the agave. It's going to be most of the liquid. And then, of course, an equal amount of the
careful. Don't spill it
almond milk. And then we put our lid on this thing, lock it down. It's kind of cute, huh? And then we're just going to pulse it.
Look at that!
Woo!
They say that as the show goes on, I get louder.
No. They say the more alcohol you consume, you get louder.
It actually smells pretty good too. Surprises me just kind of like the brownie mix. Surprised me a little.
I'm trying to be
What do you think,
gentle,
guys?
so
Wow, look at that.
so that it fills the cup and doesn't make a mess.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
let's
so
go.
now we're just gonna go right like this. We're gonna go into the fridge.
Come on, bro. It's going into the fridge.
We got my brother
Tricky.
didn't leave any spot for me. I cleared out a nice spot.
No, somebody took out the buttermilk or something. Ha ha ha. Look at that. It's there in the fridge.
Made it in
Watch
the
out, we're
fridge. So
shoving-
you got to think about that a little bit.
How long?
30 minutes.
Did you hear that?
No. What? Huh?
That was the timer that was telling us that it was in. I think you got powdered sugar on your forehead, bud. He was messing with the powdered sugar because we wanted powdered sugar, and he looked like Frosty the Snowman.
All right. So you want me to get it, or you want me to?
I'll go get it.
I'll get it. So these have been in the fridge for 30 minutes. They're admittedly a little more mousse than the recipe called for.
Can I put the Ready Whip on him?
Well, I think we should start with a little sugar, don't you?
No. I think the sugar goes on the top.
Too late.
Wow!
Okay, now let's put some strawberries on it.
Okay.
Kind of like pizza. You know how we had that race with the pizza?
I won.
No. Okay, that looks pretty good.
Come on, I got a little green. I got a little green
all right.
flower on the top of mine.
Okay,
Wow, we get to try this dessert now?
looks good.
Woo!
I'm going in, baby.
You are?
Tastes pretty good to me.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the peanut butter too.
Yeah, there's definitely a little hint of peanut butter. I think you're good with the whipped cream. Sweetens it up a little.
Yeah. And the powdered sugar.
And actually, the strawberry sweetens it up a little too, right? Maybe.
Yeah.
I think it's real good. Again, it's all about the condiments.
Yeah, and I think, you know, we could have probably blended it a little bit longer
Yeah.
to make sure that it's fully mixed. That's
Well, somebody
probably-
said we could have put a little banana in, because banana would have been good, right?
Yeah. But we were trying to follow the recipe exactly.
And fairly low carb, fairly low calories. So you start adding other stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's definitely more mousse than the recipe called for. Because I've had about half of it. I kind of have
What?
it.
Really?
You want mine too? All right, with that, huh?
Yeah.
Brothers Bistro.
Out.